our feet. Everyone thought we were hidden down the Lovers Easy Street. We'd have a house out in the country, a picket fence the whole 9 yards. They said our love would last forever. It was written in the stars. Wrong. I should have known it all along. When the future looks too bright, can't be anything but right. Wrong. Old but devastated when she told me we were true, and a while the heartache faded, and I found somebody new. I saw that this time would be different. I had it all figured out. I wouldn't make the same mistakes. I know what love was all about. Wrong. I should have known it all along. When the future looks too bright, can't be anything but right. Wrong. Everything was going strong. The sky was always blue. Thought my dream had all come true.